Good morning, everybody. Here's Didi from Yoga Fitter and Stronger Forever. How are you today? How is the energy? Welcome back to my page and my channel. So today we're gonna I have to tell you I didn't prepare the video at all. So today we're gonna improvise and we're gonna try to use a creative mind. And so we're gonna start. I'm gonna tell you how we're gonna start. I'm gonna start by answering one of my subscriber questions. So one of my subscribers asked me, Didi, I have a problem with women. I want to find the right woman, but I don't have any money. So how can I find love if I cannot provide for my future wife? So I'm gonna answer to your question in this video. So money is important, okay? And then I'm not gonna bullshit you. Money is important, but this is not the most important. No, of course, money is very important. If you cannot bring your date to a restaurant, it's gonna be very hard to conclude, okay? By the way, watch my previous video, how to get in bed with a woman, okay? How to make a woman fall in love with you. So yes, of course, money is important. So if you don't have a job, try to find a job. If you don't have a job, well, you can watch my previous videos as well. They will give you some very good insight on how to find a job, okay? Or how to create a job. But what I'm saying is that it's not everything. Women, most of the time, if they dump men, it's for other reason. And if they don't do that, if you don't feel like they're doing that, I think you think that they dump you because of your money, but this is most of the time, it's not because of your money, it's because you don't have the energy inside you to provide her what she wants. Okay? I repeat, if she dumps you, it's because in some ways you have failed her, but not in terms of money. Okay? I refer more to attention and time that you're going to dedicate to her. I have to tell you, I grew up in a family where I didn't have my mother, okay? My mother passed away when I was young, and I had to learn by myself how to find this energy. So today we're going to talk about, and I'm going to show you in this video, how to find this energy. So we're talking about feminine energy. And when we talk about feminine energy, I'm not talking about only women, okay? So the more successful men on this planet right now are men that have developed or that have in them this feminine energy. So to answer your question, I answer my subscriber, if you don't have a girlfriend right now, it's not because you don't have any money, but it's probably because you don't have, and probably surely, you don't have this feminine energy awakening inside, okay? So I'm going to make 3 videos. There's gonna be a series with some sign that your feminine energy is awakening. So I'm gonna do 3 of them, and for each video there's gonna be 5 symptoms that your feminine energy is awakening. So the first one is compassion. If you have compassion awakening inside you, that means that you are not thinking about yourself only, but you're also thinking about the well-being of others around you. Because in some ways, if people around you are not actually feeling well, in their body that's going to create some negative energy, or sometimes they're going to kind of throw you this energy and you're going to have to deal with it anyway. So think about compassion. Developing compassion around you will also be beneficial for you. So you're going to tell me, how do I develop compassion? Okay? You develop compassion by in different ways, and one of them, it's first to accept that you don't have compassion inside you. So first exercise is to figure out if you have it or not. This is really important to know, to understand that, okay? Because some people are like, oh yeah, compassion, or all right, oh, so your mother died, oh, I'm sorry. Okay, this is really compassion. Do you think, what is it compassion? No, compassion goes deeper, and there is a way to awaken this feminine energy. Symptoms number 2, strong intuition. If you have the ability to be able to figure out what's gonna happen next, or if you find this insight that will help you to progress. So there is different technique that you can use. Lucid dreaming is one of them, meditation, yoga, and many more. So this is a way where you can definitely awaken this feminine energy, which is one of them, which is intuition, okay? Intuition is a symptom that your feminine energy is awakening. The third one is enhanced creativity. So if you have this ability to create every day, okay, non-stop, you've got ideas coming up every day, okay, this is also a good sign. And you will not feel complete if you don't create. So meaning that's gonna become like an addiction. You're gonna have your brain that sends you some signals every day. It's going to be also connected with your heart. So meaning the more your heart is opening, the more your creative skills will open. And if it's not open, you don't feel well, you don't feel great, you don't feel whole. This is another sign. Then the fourth one is you find this sense of giving act of kindness. You are willing to help people around you, to teach them without asking for money. It is something that will fulfill you, and it's definitely connected with the feminine energy. And the last one is you have this sense of empathy, meaning somebody has, for example, had his heart broken. He went through a very painful breakup, and you are feeling sorry for him, but deeply sorry, and you want to help, but you notice that this person is not ready to be rescued. So you're not going to try to push it. You're going to try to respect him and to try to understand what happened to him, what he went through. And they're directly linked with the intuition, because you're going to be able to figure this out without talking to this person. So all those symptoms, they are really, let's say, true meaning, true, let's say, they're definitely going to show you that your feminine energy is awakening. And once you have this energy inside you, you will understand that thriving and be the best and be strong and be tough is not as important as we think it is. So you don't have a girlfriend. Okay, you don't have a girlfriend right now, but if you do what it takes, if you take the right step, if you listen to people around you that have already awakened this energy, that will be easier for you to find a job first, okay? Because everywhere they're looking for this skill. And I'm telling you, this is really crazy because some men are very young and they have this skill already. So it depends how you were brought up, if you were close to your mother or not. Has your mother been able to give you this ability, this gift, or are you lacking of it? And it will definitely have a repercussion in your relationship. So if you break your nose every time you try to flirt with a woman, that's definitely a sign that your feminine energy is not awakened. Okay, guys, I think I talk too much as usual. I would like to remind you that if you want more support, you can definitely sign up for a class, a Yoga for Love class. And so we do private and we do group classes as well. And then I wish you a very good weekend. Try not to think too much. Try not to be too tough with yourself. Drop me a comment below this video if you find value in this video. And don't forget, if you have any questions, you can text me. I'm always available to answer your questions. If you have experienced feminine energy awakening as well, I will be very happy to hear from you. We are a community. We need to share more ideas. And from there, I have to go. I'll see you soon. Take care of yourself. Namaste.